there's gravel on the road here. I don't like that. This is a cool little spot, Wolf Lake. It's got a little bit of everything on both sides here. Got a little swamp over there with some water. Over there is a lake with a beach and some boat launch. Pretty cool spot. Oh, it's got a bug to the face. What the fuck? Hell yeah, dude. It's weird to think that it's like 75 today. It's literally the middle of April. No, not even the middle of April. It's Easter Sunday. Which is like unheard of to be in the 70s. Man, I hope this heat stays around because it's supposed to rain the next few days. Very cool if I could get it to like not rain. Skirt. I don't think today's a school day, so it should be safe to go 35, right? I love seeing so many bikers out and about too. Like, it warms my heart to see that I'm not the only one out right now. Granted, right now I'm only in a hoodie and jeans, you know, like, I am still squidding it up. I've always squidded it up. Like, always have squidded. Even when I had gear, I was still squidding because I didn't wear leather jeans or anything cool for gloves. I just had motocross gloves and a leather jacket, you know. Kind of giving up on the whole buy expensive gear trope. I know it'll save me if I go down, but chicks dig scars. Let's turn it around. I don't really feel like going through town. Got 3/4 tank of gas, which is fine. I just, like I said, don't feel like going through town. Normally by the time I do that, there's a cop behind me, so I'm going to slow down on that. Especially since it's nice out still, so. I've got my phone and my keys in my pocket. Hopefully they don't think I'm holding onto a gun. I was like, what's this shadow behind me? It's just my hoodie. I'm stupid, I'm sorry guys. Locally hated in a Dodge. I don't know about that. I really don't know about that. Another Fat Bob. Whoa. I like that. Posted on Facebook. Who's got the Fat Bob in Wolf Lake? I swear, I don't see Fat Bobs anywhere, and then I bought a Fat Bob. Like, I never noticed any Harleys with twin headlights back when I was not a rider. And now that I've got a motorcycle, I notice them everywhere. Like, there's at least once a day that I see a Dyna Fat Bob. Without a fail, I see it. Ooh, that's a nice old Ford. So, somebody my age driving it. Maybe younger even. Gives me hope that I can have something nice that's got 4 wheels one of these days. Not that I don't appreciate my clapped out Silverado, but it's pretty clapped out. Oh, baby is sounding crisp. So I've been meaning to ask everybody, should I get like my YouTube channel name like printed down the side of my right side of my face? Like, it'd be like right here. You can't see it because I don't have a backwards facing camera, but it'd be to the right of the camera and along the jawline almost, I want to say, of the face guard. But at the same point, I've also got like a cool decal there of snakes, because my helmet is gold with snakes. It's called a Coppermouth by Icon. That's what I have, what I use. And I love it because it looks so good and it fits so well with the Sunburst visor, you know? Like, I have a Sunburst visor. Look at that, Sunburst. I'm sure y'all have already seen it if you look at any of Mackinac Riders videos that I'm in. You know, I'll see my helmet. I mean, I stand out in a crowd, that's for damn sure. One of the guys I ride with, he's got a club-style Dyna Street Bob, and it's all blacked out. It's got a little bit of chrome, but it's blacked out otherwise. It's got an all-black helmet with a mirrored finish. Not even a mirrored finish, but a clear visor on it. Wears all black and everything, and he was like, dude, your helmet's like loud. And it's like, yeah, I know, I like it being loud. I'm seen, you know? Because I don't wear gear. I don't want to get hit by a car. Anyway, now I run home because I'm going to be late to Easter dinner, you know. That wasn't a cop, thank God. I was going 70 unknowingly. Fuck. I'm grandpa shifting like a motherfucker. Why did grandpa shift? Oh, I also fixed my lever, by the way. I did that. I readjusted my clutch. It's pretty easy. That's a pretty good one. I like it when I get by a guardrail because I can hear the crack of the throttle, you know? Well, have I ever told you how much I love seeing other motorcycles on the road? It just geeks me out. Like, it really geeks me out. Howdy, friend. I get so excited. I just caught a bug to the face. Nice. I'm still meeting so many people in leathers. Like, it's in the 70s, guys. Come on, it's nice out. I'm a bad influence. Don't listen to me when I talk about gear. I'm not against it, it's just I don't like wearing it, you know? Like, I like being comfortable. Most of the time the gear I get is like budget gear because I don't really have a big budget for anything at all. Like, most of my money goes into bills. I actually had to use my stimulus check to buy this new GoPro, so it is what it is, you know? Damn, 98 in 5th gear. Sorry, 93 in 5th gear, not 98. If it was 98, I'd be on something different. That one was totally a cop. They didn't have the roof racks on top. They just had the little CBs. I hope he doesn't turn around. I wasn't going that much over, so I should be fine though. I hope this summer I can find some more people to add to our group, because like Mac and I are do some dumb shit. But like, imagine if we had like 2 or 3 more people. You know what I mean? Like, all with their own channels. Like, I still need to ride with some people that I talk to, but I need like we need to find like a dedicated amount of people that are gonna stick around and do dumb things with us. Like, we may not always do stunts. We might not always even like speed, but well, that was weird. It would be nice to like have a group of people that are willing to just like go out of their way to enjoy themselves, not be afraid of like a throttle, because you know we go fast sometimes, especially if Mac and All Rider gets his MT or FZ. We're going fast quite a bit. Maybe not for long stretches, but we're going fast.